All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a picture to create an actual size of your design. Before now, we've been punching in 3000 by 3000, then we just end up having this size, this square size. What if we want to create a design using the picture size just the way it came out of the camera? So that is what we'll be learning in this video. All right, the first thing is to be on your home page. Okay, this image, I'm going to drag it into Canva and it's going to upload. I've done this before, but I just want to show you. Okay, once it's uploaded, then you come to the project setting, then you look for the image that you want to create the design with. Okay, I have the image here. All you need to do is to click on this hamburger menu and come to edit. Okay, then right here, click on use in a design, and now it's going to create a canvas size that is based on the size of the picture. Okay, so now you can just make any edits that you want to make, and that's it. Very easy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you find it helpful. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.